Hello guys, in this video we will see what is not launching error and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of verify game files and system requirements. Content a common cause for and not launching is corrupted or missing game files. Utilize the game launcher's built-in verification tools such as Steam's Verify Integrity of Game Files or the Rockstar Games Launcher's Verify Game Files option. Simultaneously confirm your meets the minimum system requirements for they including processor speed, RAM, graphics card model, and available disk space. Insufficient hardware or disk space can prevent the game from initiating or cause immediate crashes. Step update graphics, drivers, and disable overlays. Content outdated or incompatible graphics drivers are a frequent culprit for launch issues. Ensure your NVIDIA and or Intel graphics drivers are updated to the latest stable version directly from the manufacturer's website, performing a clean installation. If possible, additionally, third-party overlays like Discord overlay, GeForce Experience in-game overlay, Afterburner or Rivagener statistics server can interfere with his launch process. Temporarily disable these overlays and any background applications that might be consuming significant resources or conflicting with the game. Step run as administrator and adjust compatibility settings, content and its associated launchers. Rockstar Games Launcher Steam often require administrative privileges to function correctly, especially when interacting with system files or protected directories. Look at the game's executable file, takes the launcher's executable and the Social Club executable, then right-click each and select Run as Administrator. If issues persist, try running the game in compatibility mod for an older version of Windows or via the properties of the GESX file under the Compatibility tab. Step install repair redistributables and reinstall the game content and release on various third-party software components known as redistributables, such as Microsoft Visual can direct missing or corrupted versions of these components can prevent the game from launching. You can often find these installers within the game's installation directory in a Redist or Common Redist folder, or download them directly from Microsoft's official website as a last resort. If all other troubleshooting fails, perform a clean reinstallation of This involves uninstalling the game, manually deleting any remaining files or folders, and then re-downloading and installing it. Step ensure Windows is up to date and address specific errors. Content an outdated Windows operating system can cause compatibility issues with modern games like Ensure your Windows installation is fully updated by checking for updates in the Windows settings. Specific error messages or codes displayed when the game fails to launch can provide crucial clues. For instance, Social Club errors often point to problems with the Rockstar Games Launcher or internet connection. Search only in forums or Rockstar support with the exact error code for targeted solutions, as these might require specific port forwarding, firewall exceptions, or temporary disabling of antivirus software.